Grinding noises during gear shifts in automatic transmissions are serious warning signs that indicate internal mechanical problems requiring immediate attention. When transmission components wear down or malfunction, smooth gear operation transforms into grinding noises that signal expensive internal damage is occurring. Grinding noises in automatic transmissions typically originate from four main areas within the transmission system. The torque converter is a fluid coupling that transfers power from the engine to the transmission. When its internal clutch wears out or fluid becomes contaminated, grinding occurs during lockup engagement. The planetary gear system provides different gear ratios through a complex arrangement of sun gears, planet gears, and ring gears. When these components wear, metal-on-metal contact creates grinding noises during gear changes. The valve body controls hydraulic pressure and fluid flow throughout the transmission. When solenoids stick or valves wear, improper pressure causes harsh, grinding gear engagement. Over time, internal transmission components like clutch bands, plates, and bearings wear down. This creates metal particles in the fluid and grinding noises during operation. Modern vehicles use sophisticated transmission control modules and predictive maintenance technology to detect grinding issues before they become severe, allowing for early intervention and cost savings. Industry standards now recommend transmission fluid changes every 30 to 60,000 miles, significantly more frequent than previous recommendations. This preventive maintenance reduces grinding noise risk by up to 70%. Understanding these grinding noise sources helps identify problems early. Regular maintenance and immediate attention to grinding sounds can prevent minor issues from becoming major transmission failures. Diagnosing grinding noises requires careful analysis of when and how the sound occurs. Different grinding patterns point to specific transmission components that need attention. Grinding during acceleration typically indicates problems with planetary gears or clutch components. These internal parts handle the power transfer and can wear over time. Grinding when shifting gears usually points to valve body or solenoid malfunctions. These electronic components control hydraulic pressure for smooth gear changes. Grinding at idle while in gear often indicates torque converter issues. The torque converter connects the engine to the transmission and can develop internal problems. Fluid analysis provides crucial diagnostic information. Healthy transmission fluid should be red or pink and relatively clear, indicating proper lubrication and cooling. Dark, burnt fluid with metal particles signals internal damage. This contaminated fluid cannot properly lubricate components, leading to grinding and accelerated wear. Professional diagnosis follows a systematic approach. First, check the transmission fluid level and condition for obvious signs of contamination or low levels. Next, scan for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Modern transmissions store specific codes that can pinpoint the exact problem area. Road testing allows technicians to experience the grinding firsthand and correlate symptoms with specific driving conditions and gear changes. Finally, internal inspection may be necessary to examine worn components directly and determine the extent of damage requiring repair. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular fluid changes every 30 to 50,000 miles keep the transmission properly lubricated and prevent grinding issues. Avoiding aggressive driving during warm-up periods and using gentle acceleration helps reduce stress on transmission components and prevents premature wear. Using quality automatic transmission fluid that meets manufacturer specifications ensures proper lubrication and component protection throughout the transmission's life. If grinding noises occur, stop driving immediately. Continued operation can transform a moderate repair into a complete transmission replacement, costing thousands more. Take immediate action by stopping safely, checking fluid condition, and contacting a professional mechanic. Avoid temporary fixes that might mask symptoms while damage continues. Early intervention when grinding first appears can reduce repair costs by 60 to 70% compared to waiting until complete failure occurs. Professional diagnosis is essential for accurate problem identification.